Birds of a feather really do flock together. We appreciate every visit to our blog and every watch here on YouTube. In memory of both our moms who succumbed to Alzheimer's disease, we are now entering our 4th year of dedicating all proceeds generated from our blogging efforts to fund Alzheimer's research. Thanks to your support, we raised over $2,400 last year. And as we continue to expand, our goal is to make an even larger donation towards Alzheimer's research this year. Thanks for helping us make a tangible impact in the fight against this devastating disease. You can anticipate new and exciting upcycling projects coming your way this year. If you're eager to join us now, explore some of the videos linked in the description below, showcasing the projects that are scrolling by. You can find full tutorials over at birdsofafeather.ca, and don't forget to like, share, and follow right here.